Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle, and this is going to be a lot of fun because I got a lot of questions over the last 15 years about, hey, is our trailer always going to rock back and forth like this? And that's because when you go to a dealership lot, you go to a storage facility where a customer may be selling their own unit private party, the stabilizers are not down. So you get a lot of shaking and a lot of moving back and forth. Normally you get a hand crank thing to put down the stabilizers both front and back. But with the help of my partners at Alloyman, I'm going to show you how to put them down a lot easier, a lot faster, where you don't feel like you need the slow electric scissor jacks. My partners at Alloyman sent me this cordless to try out on the RVs. I could tell you it actually feels like it has more torque and more power than my Ryobi or my Makita. So we're going to try it out. But the bottom line is you need a 3/4 inch socket and the cordless to do this amazing trick. Let's show you how it works. All right, we got our 3/4 inch socket and our cordless. This is how easy and fast this is, guys. Rather than doing all the cranking, we're just gonna go. Holy cow. Did you guys see that? That thing, this Alloyman thing has a ton of torque. But anyway, so there's one. Let's count how many seconds this takes. Doesn't take long, does it? Look at that. Now the good part is with these manual stabilizers, you can put blocks underneath to actually stabilize the travel trailer, or at least give it some kind of leveling. Now you see how fast this thing goes up and down. So you're gonna be set up with camp really fast. That Alloyman is way better than my Ryobi or my Makita, so I'm very excited about it. If you want more information on the Alloyman cordless I have a link in the description box below to the Amazon page, so just click on that. But at the same time, guys, I want to show you an electric stabilizer system, how slow it goes. So you saw how fast the drill goes. Now let me show you how slow the electric jacks go. I'm at a 2023 Shockwave that's on the lot. Now watch the electric stabilizers. Now you do hold a button. See how I'm holding the button? But see how that foot is coming in crooked. So you got to like play with it and adjust it and make sure it's flat to get it down. The other downside to doing the electrics is you can't put blocks underneath. See, because they both come down and up through one button. See how that one's coming down crooked a little bit? And the bad part is because if you put blocks underneath, it may bend the jacks. Now the jacks could bend even on the manual ones, but it's cheaper and easier to replace the manual jacks than it is to do these electric stabilizers. And realize once again, you could put blocks to level or blocks to stabilize better underneath the manual ones. See, we come back up and we're good. All of this is personal preference, of course. But the electric jacks used to be a great pitch and presentation when it used to come with a remote control. They no longer really come with a remote control. Used to be Forest River in California used to build the Wildwood, Salem, and Evos. And what they would have is a remote control where you got out of the car or got out of your truck and you went, time to put out the awning, time to put out the slide, time to put down the stabilizers, and you could have a beer in your hand at the same time. So you're already on vacation while you're setting up your campground. Yeah, those remote controls went out the window. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It does help us, and be notified about future videos like this one. To me personally, I'd rather, without the remote control, I'd rather have the manual jacks, because the manual jacks, I can put blocks underneath, I can go to more unlevel campgrounds, and with a cordless like the Alloyman sent me, it's real quick setup without breaking your back. Now, in the top right-hand corner of this video, you're gonna see another cool video on how to dump your tanks. Until next time, RV stands for toolkit and sense of humor.